Welcome back, artists. We just keep adding more characters to this Winterland scene, and look how fun this place is becoming. Just full of life, full of animated, fun characters. And today we're going to add a new character. We're going to draw a fox, this cartoon fox. We're also going to open up a present and add a surprise item to our character. Then we add our character to Winterland. It's going to be lots of fun, so grab a pencil and paper and let's start drawing. Okay, artists, to draw this fox character, we're actually going to start with letter F. Sometimes it just works out that way. We're going to draw the fox eyes right here on our letter F. And then we're going to draw these big shapes for fox ears with some little lines inside for a detail. Oh, and speaking of detail, the tips of the fox's ears are going to be colored in black. So you can do that now. We're at the end. On the end of our letter F, we're going to add an oval shape, and that's our fox nose. And then let's draw a little shape or a line from the end of this part of the F up to the nose like so. And then we're going to draw a little line from the nose down like this. And I'm going to draw two little fox teeth poking out of that mouth. Let's go ahead and draw a line from the bottom of the F right here. And it's going to go up like this to the mouth. That's actually the bottom of the character's mouth. And then we're going to draw a curved line for a cheek. So it looks pretty happy. We've got a good start to our fox. In fact, we have the face done. Let's add the body. So we're going to start at the eye. And we're just going to draw a line that goes around like this. Look at our fox. It's coming to life. It's looking amazing. We got to add some legs and feet to our character. So we're just going to draw these two small little L-type lines with a curved line for the top of each foot. And then finish those legs like so. I'm going to draw another arm over here with those cartoon fingers here at the end, just like that. And then we need to draw a tail. Have fun with this part. Fox has a big bushy tail, so you can make it really big like this, but make sure you draw a little thing on the end, just like we did with those ears. There you go. We have a fox. It looks awesome. Let's unwrap a present or a gift and see what our fox is going to have added to it. Okay, so we have our present here. Let's see what our fox is going to... Oh! A cup of hot chocolate and some marshmallows. So let's go ahead and add that to our character. Yeah. And pretty simple. Just gonna squeeze that in. Maybe we'll make it a big... What is this, like a grande size? That's like a bucket of hot chocolate. It's still pretty big. Let's add it to our Winterland scene. So here we are in our Winterland scene, and we need to add our fox character to this really fun area, right in this area, right up here. So there we go. What do you think? I like that. I like that. We have our fox with hot cocoa in our fun Winterland scene. Okay, drawing fans, I hope you had a blast drawing these characters. Oh, check out Harptoons, where I have some free lessons. It's a membership art site. You're gonna love it. There's lots of different how to draw videos there as well. Commercial free. You can cancel anytime. Hey, and I'll see you back here tomorrow, where I've got some more characters that we're gonna add to our fun Winterland. So grab your pencil and your paper and turn